Hi guys, for today's vlog, we are going to Bangkok. But before anything else, it's me again, Shadjak, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube for more travel content. So as you can see, we are going to park here sa NAIA Terminal 3. Then diretso na kami sa travel tax counter to pay for our travel tax, which is around 1,620 pesos. After that, since nakapag-online check-in na kami, bag drop na lang kami rito sa check-in counter. Finally, we are done checking in. Then papunta na kami sa immigration. Guys, don't forget to accomplish e-travel before kayo pumasok dito sa immigration area. This is one of the necessary requirements for traveling. Here are the documents that you need to prepare before traveling. Touchdown, Bangkok, Thailand. Finally, we made it. Natulog lang kami buong flight. Paano ba naman ba? Gabi yung flight namin. So excited for this trip kasi kasama ko yung family ko. If you are here sa Bangkok, Thailand, I highly suggest to use Bolt instead of Grab kasi mas cheap talaga siya. Pagdating namin sa hotel, nagpahinga lang kami na saglit. Tapos, ang first agenda namin for today is shopping sa Pratunam area. Since walking distance lang to sa hotel namin, grabe, legit, budol itong area na to. Mapapabili ka kasi sobrang gaganda at mumura na mga bilihin dito. After namin mag-shopping sa Pratunam, nag-quick lunch lang kami dito sa Platinum Mall. Kain muna kami before kami pumunta sa first itinerary namin for today. Welcome to Chocolateville. This is the first theme park restaurant in Bangkok, Thailand. They offer European village ambience with the concept of let's dining in the park. Ang entrance fee nito ay 120 baht or 210 pesos. And take note, hindi lang ito basta entrance fee. This is a consumable voucher kasi kapag kumain ka sa loob, you can use this ticket. So parang free entrance na talaga ito. Ang daming Instagrammable area dito, tulad nitong floating lamp. Sulit talaga ang pagpunta namin dito. At saan ka naman makakakita ng ganitong theme park na may napaka-cute na mga capybara? At ito yung pinaka-aabangan dito, yung Parade of the Stars. Nag-enjoy kami dito. Napaka-cute ng mga mascot nila at may pa-bubble shower pa talaga. On our next day, we will visit the famous Grand Palace. Kaya naman namin inilagay ito sa second day ay para kahit papano ay may enough rest kami dahil sa laki ng Grand Palace, kakailanganin namin ng enough energy. Kaya, let's go! Guys, ang entrance fee pala nitong Grand Palace ay 500 Thai baht or 871 pesos. May kamahalan pero worth it naman. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. Also, best time to visit Grand Palace ay early in the morning, around 9 to 11 a.m. to avoid the crowd and also yung init ng araw since tropical country din ang Thailand. Kaunting kaalaman, alam nyo ba na ang Grand Palace Bangkok has been the official and ceremonial residence of the country's king since it was originally built in 782? This major architectural symbol of the Thai royal family is also the city's premier tourist attraction. The Grand Palace is a walled city within a city. Kapag nandito kayo guys, huwag niyong mamadalin yung pag-tour nyo kasi sayang talaga yung pagpunta nyo. And also, sa laking 218,400 square meter, ay good luck na lang talaga sa inyo. Dito na pa yan.
Maganda naman ng yung frito. Marami yang Espanyol kayaknya.
Pero by far, this is one of my favorite palace na nabisita ko sa Asia. Ma-amaze ka na lang talaga kung paano nila ito nagawa. I mean, tignan nyo na naman yung structure. Mapapatunong ka kung sino nag-design nito at paano nila na-maintain yung ganda ng palace na to. Finally, we are now here at the famous Icon Siam Mall. Pumunta tayo dito kasi dito ang pick-up point ng dinner cruise natin. We booked this tour package via Klook. Ang must say na kailangan nyo ito ma-experience kapag first visit nyo dito sa Bangkok. Sobrang worth it nito guys. So this is where you're going to pick up your physical ticket. I highly suggest to go here an hour before your time of departure. Kasi legit na iniiwan ka ng cruise. 15 minutes before the boarding time, cut off na. They will not release any ticket anymore. While waiting, we decided to go here sa Starbucks. This is one of the famous Starbucks in Asia. Here, you are offered a lively experience of coffee drinking surrounded with traditional Thai culture. And the stunning panoramic river views from above certainly can greatly enhance the pleasure of imbibing tea and coffee. By the way guys, this is located at the Icon Siam 7th floor. So yeah, grabe, nasaktuhan namin yung sunset. This is a very great experience. Nandito na rin yung cruise sa wakas. Guys, you should be here 30 minutes before kayo mag-board sa cruise. Kasi hahanapin nyo pa yung color coding ng sticker nyo. 3 cruise kasi yung nandito, so need nyo mag-line up at mag-board sa tamang cruise. Or else, wala kayong seating na makukuha kasi nga, mali yung cruise na sinakyan nyo. We are boarding now. Ngayon ko lang napansin na napakaganda pala ng seating area namin. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Guys, may kasama na pala itong buffet dinner ha. Nako, ang sasarap ng food at unlimited pa kahit ilang beses ka bumalik-balik dito. See this stunning view? Kitang-kita mo yung city lights ng Bangkok. Ang haba pala nitong Chao Phraya River. Nakaka-relax dito sa area namin kasi napakahangin at walang sawa kaming kumukuha ng picture. Kaya better be early guys kasi para ma-request nyo itong outdoor seating area. So guys, please do follow me here on YouTube and on TikTok. That's all for today guys and see you in my next travel vlog.